Hello everyone. Today again we are here with next video that is very interesting about the cell. As you know very well, in previous video I have explained you definition of cell and how it was discovered. Means now you know very well it was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 under a self-designed microscope. And where it was discovered? How it was discovered? It was discovered from the cork cell. Now you know very well cork is the bark of tree which is a non-living part. So means again I am going to explain cell is the building block of all living organism. Now you are very well known what does it mean building block. Now अब आप समझ गए हो कि बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए आपको दीवार बनानी है, दीवार बनाने के लिए आपको ब्रिक्स लेनी है. तो ब्रिक्स को आपको यू हैव टू इमेजिन ब्रिक्स आर जस्ट सिमिलर टू सेल्स. नाउ डेफिनेशन अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन. सेल इज द स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. मीन्स हियर व्हाट डज इट मीन सेल स्ट्रक्चर? मीन्स हियर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म is made up of cell. When I am talking structure, mean all the living organism, their structure is made up of single unit, that is cell. And now if I am talking about the functional unit, means what does it mean functional unit? Means different functions are performed in an organism, maybe plant or maybe an animal. So here different function is just basic unit of that function is again the cell. So now how the development take place? एक सिंगल सेल से मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म का कैसे डेवलपमेंट होता है? जस्ट वी विल जस्ट डिस्कस न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ सेल्स इन एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. जस्ट सेल बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ सेल. नाउ डिफरेंट सेल्स ग्रुप टुगेदर एंड दे विल मेक ए टिश्यू. तो व्हाट इज टिश्यू? If similar cells they are performing same size function, we will call them tissue. We will discuss this topic in higher classes also. Now different groups of tissue join together, they will form an organ. आप लोगों ने टिश्यू कई नाम सुने होंगे, नर्वस टिश्यू, मस्कुलर टिश्यू. तो सब क्या होते हैं इसमें एक जैसा फंक्शन करते हैं तो ग्रुप बना लेते हैं, उसको हमने क्या बोल दिया? ऑर्गन. अब ऑर्गन का नाम आपने सुना है, हार्ट भी होता है, ब्रेन भी होता है. तो डिफरेंट टिश्यू जॉइन टुगेदर फॉर्म एन ऑर्गन. सेम थिंग हैपन इन प्लांट आल्सो. रूट, स्टेम, लीफ, डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स आर देयर एंड डिफरेंट ऑर्गन नाउ जॉइन टुगेदर, दे विल ग्रुप टुगेदर एंड दे विल मेक ए ऑर्गन सिस्टम. नाउ यू नो वेरी वेल इन आवर बॉडी डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स आर देयर. मीन्स इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम तो आप लोग सब जानते हो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का नाम लाते ही फूड पाइप, स्टोमक, इंटेस्टाइन, लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गन्स आर देयर. तो ऑल द ऑर्गन्स दे विल जस्ट परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ डाइजेशन. सो सिमिलर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, लॉट ऑफ सिस्टम्स आर देयर इन आवर बॉडी एंड डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम मीन्स रेस्पिरेटरी, एक्सक्रीटरी, सर्कुलेटरी, डाइजेस्टिव, all the system will combine and form a multicellular organism. So dear student, I think you have understood how the organization of cell in an organism take place. Now I am talking again here cell theory because that is very important topic and we will talk in detail in next class also. So now first, now you have understood discovery of the cell in 1665 by Robert Hooke from the cork cell under the self-designed microscope. So dear student, what happened at that time? More advanced microscope were not developed. So what happened? In 1674, free living cells in pond water with improved microscope was discovered. That scientist was Hooke. We have discussed his name in previous chapter in microorganism, because he is known as father of microbiology. तो जहां भी माइक्रोस्कोप का नाम आएगा और लिविंग सेल, बैक्टीरियल सेल, तो who discovered? Because that bacterial cell was living cell discovered by Lewin Hall. So you should know this discovery also. Now, just after continuing with improved microscope and other just very effective staining methods, in subsequent years, it became possible to know more about cell structure and its function. तो जैसे जैसे डिस्कवरी होती गई, तो 1839 two scientists were there, Schleiden and Schwann. Both were biologists. They told that all the plants and animals are composed of cell. Simple thing is there, and the cell is the basic unit of life. That cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. Later on, again, 1855. Given this, scientists were there, Virchow. Virchow ने कहा, all cells arise from pre-existing cells. तो नई सेल कहाँ बनेंगी? पुरानी सेल से ही बनेंगी. So Virchow just improved the cell theory due to just, again I am telling, improved microscope and staining methods. That's why this theory now again evolved. Now we can include all these concepts. Now you understood. Now I am talking, next topic is there, number of cell. Number of cell in an organism may be from 1 to many. अब सारे ऑर्गेनिज्म जरूरी नहीं है बहुत ज्यादा सेल की. कई ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या बने हुए हैं? सिंगल सेल के भी बने. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ सेल, all the organism we are dividing into two categories. First is there unicellular organism. Uni means single. Means one cell constitute the organism, and one cell, single cell, perform all the function like eating, respiration, excretion, etc. Now you very well about the amoeba. Amoeba आपने सब में 7th class में पढ़ा है. Different functions are there. Digestion है, excretion है. तो only single cell perform all the function. So we can say in unicellular organism, a single cell is a jack of all trade. यानी कि इसको एक सेल को बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. So here amoeba. Now you know in which class it comes. Amoeba comes in protozoa. Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular algae. Here I have written paramecium again. Paramecium, Euglena, they all are coming in protozoas. And now last I have written bacteria. You know very well, bacteria are different varieties. They have different sizes, elongated, spindle, round, etc. And different shapes are there, and they are present everywhere. So bacteria are also unicellular organism. Now here, next is there multicellular organism. Multi means many. Means organism is made up of many cells. Now many cells constitute the organism. So dear student, I am not talking here 100,000. Means I am talking about the million, billion or trillions of cells. Because our body is made up of trillions of cells. So what happens? क्या अब सारी सेल मिलकर एक ही काम करती है क्या? ऐसा नहीं होता. So what happens in multicellular organism? There is a division of labor in multicellular organism. Just I have discussed just now. Means just फिर simple example I am giving. अगर आपको टीचर ने कहा, एक स्टूडेंट को कहा कि आपको टीचर डे सेलिब्रेट करना है, तो सिंगल स्टूडेंट how can is possible? He can perform, but it's very difficult task. But if strength is there in class 50, तो what will happen? क्या होगा? 10 का ग्रुप क्या करेगा? डेकोरेशन करेगा. 10 का ग्रुप क्या करेगा? कल्चरल एक्टिविटी करेगा. 10 का ग्रुप क्या करेगा? डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करेगा. So all the celebration function have been divided into different groups. So hard labor now here has been divided by among the student. Same thing happen in this organism means billions or trillion cells हैं, तो what will happen? Group of cells will perform particular function, else again different group will perform another function. So it will be easier for an organism. कहने का मतलब है जस्ट वी हैव डिस्कस, एक ग्रुप ने काम करा टिश्यू का, एक ने रेस्पिरेशन करा, एक ने क्या करा, सर्कुलेशन करा. सो वी दे मेक द ग्रुप एंड द लाइफ प्रोसेस स्टार्टेड इन ऑल द वाइटल एक्टिविटीज कैन बी कैरिड आउट. सो डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल नाउ यू वेरी वेल, ह्यूमन बीइंग, फिश, mango plants, sunflower, different plants are also there. They are multicellular. So dear student, we are talking here in living organism, means we are talking about the plants as well as animals. So I think you have understood cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. So dear student, we will continue again new video in which we will discuss variation of cell, different sizes and shapes are there, and different examples we will discuss in next video. Till then, goodbye.